yes, you can have your calories and lose your weight and feel and look amazing and reverse your hormonal imbalances. And there are certain things that you must be very, very careful of. And that is falling into the dieting trap. Because there are a lot of diets out there that are going to disconnect you from your true nature. And especially if you're female. As females, we go through a lot of fluctuations with our hormones. The last thing that you want to do with your body is to go on a crash diet that's promising you to lose a lot of weight in a short space of time, but then your hormones go out of whack, and then you're gaining that weight back, and then you're struggling to lose it again. Looking to balance your hormones? Then grab yourself a free copy of our Hormone Reset Plan with strategies and recipes to help you drop hormones in the comment section below.